car. And I went to the number 2.
Good day everyone! Welcome to our another vlog. And this time again, it's our Kids Edition episode 4. Okay? So, I hope you will enjoy again this toy na i-feature namin today, which is still a Hot Wheel playset. And this specific playset is what?
Hot Wheels City Shark Beach Battle Playset.
Yon, ito po. Ito po siya. So, mamaya po, i-focus ko po to para makita nyo ng maayos, no? Ito po. So, paano po to lalaruin? Of course, tulad ng mga ibang Hot Wheels City, napakadali lang laruin talaga nito, especially may mga instructions. Okay? Like tulad si Gian, kanta ng kanta, no? Habang nagde-demonstrate ako. Okay? But, we will make it a competitive game na naman. But before that, we will share to you muna paano to siya lalaruin. Okay?
Okay, how to play. You will see there will be 3 different options. The number 1, the shark, and number 2. What is the number 1 for? The number 1 for is you will put a car inside the launcher and shoot it. And when you shoot it, it will go through the waves and go inside like this here. Like, it will go through the waves here and then it will land like this. What is the shark for? The shark for is, for example, it's like this, and then you launch the car here, and then it gets stuck. You hit the tongue like this, so it gets eaten. So when it gets eaten, pick another car and try to hit this bandage, and when you hit this bandage, he will die. And now the number 2. The number 2 is like you get a car, you launch it, and it will go through this part. It's like a down waves, like near the sand, and you will go through here, and go into the number 2 place. So that's how the 3 option works.
Okay, to make this game more competitive, kasi po, na-discuss na po ni Ate Lian kanina kung paano siya lalaruin. That's very simple po and very basic. Base nga po yun sa 3 options dito na nakikita natin, no? Yung sa 1, sa shark, at yung 2. Now, to make it more competitive, for example po, 2 kayong maglalaro, is nagawa kami ng point system. So, what is the point system? It is based sa from difficult to easy. So, dito po, ang pinakamahirap pong ma-achieve is yung saan doon ka sa number 1. From launching the car here po, when you launch the car here, then it will go up on the waves there sa taas, then, and go directly there. Yun, yan ang pinakamahirap. So, if you luckily go there, you will be having 3 points. Then, ang next na medyo mas easy is when you go to number 2. Yun po. So, instead of going up on the wave, dito ka sa baba ng shark. Diyan po, sa baba ng shark, all the way there. And yun, nakapunta ka doon and you got 2 points. And lastly, ang pinaka-easy is when a car is trapped on the mouth of the shark. Yun. So, for example, may car na na-trap doon. Okay? Or kung hindi man na-trap, maybe nakaalis ka but the mouth is closed, you need to remove the shark through that yung band-aid sa gilid niya, yan, para ka makadiretso dito. So how you will do it? Of course, you will launch from here at yun nga, tatamaan mo is yung kanyang parang band-aid, and when you hit it, di ba, pag matamaan mo yun, then you be able to win. But the point only, if you do it for the shark, is 1 point. So dapat ang goal is yung hit ka dong number 1, maka-reach ka doon. 3 points, 2 points is itong dito, and 1 point is yung shark. So Ate Lian and Gian will try it. Okay?
So, the option I will pick is number 2. Number 2. Just a card. And I went to the number 2, so I have 2 points. Now I will use another card and I will pick the next option. It's the shark. So I only have 2 points because I went to the number 2. Now it's Gian's turn. Now it's my turn. I will pick number 1. Now I will pick the shark. Now I'll pick the 2. Points.
Okay po, so I hope nag-enjoy naman kayo sa aming demonstration on how to play this particular playset and how we make actually our own rule, no? How to be able to innovate the game, yung nag-compete nga silang dalawa, and yun nga, kung nakita nyo, dito atin napunta si Ate Lian on the number 2, and unfortunately Gian, hindi siya naka-reach dito sa 1 or sa 2 or even on the shark. So yun lang po, and I hope it gives you a heads up on how to play this playset, and hopefully you will support us on our next videos, especially on Kids Edition. With that, see you all on our next video, and thank you for watching. Bye!